And it could be in summer, fall, or spring, boy, 'cause you make my heart sing. I wanna give my heart, my soul, my love to you, oh baby, yeah. 'Cause every day I'm not with you, I'm missing you like crazy. I need for you to love me, hold me, touch me, down deep in my soul. Never let go of the love we share. No one compares to you. I'll never let you go, 'cause I really love you so. Oh, why? I'll never let you go. Oh, no. You must know the truth, boy. I'm nothing without you. It's funny how I know what people mean, boy, when it's too good to be true. Because you give me joy, good love, good times, such happiness. Oh yeah. And every day I thank the Lord for you. I feel so blessed. I need for you to love me, hold me, touch me, down deep in my soul. Never let go of the love we share. No one compares to you. I'll never let you go, 'cause I really love you so. I'll never let you go. Oh, no. If you only knew what you're really doing, never had no one that does it quite like you do. You could spend half a lifetime trying to find one like you. That's why I'm so glad I found you, babe. I wish upon a star and it came true. Darling, I need for you to love. Hold me, touch me, deep in my soul. Never let go of the love we share. No one compares to you. I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go. I really love you so. Oh, I'll never let you go.
Hi, it's your girl Hot Chick, and all you're about to hear is a soulful song with a mix of musical-ish. And I want y'all to put your hands together to my boy, Curse One, and the JB. Let's go.
Di ko maipaliwanag ang aking nararamdaman. Pagkatabi kita, di ako makapagsalita, pero di ibig sabihin nun na ayaw kita at di kita gusto. Sadyang pumalababa lang ang damdamin ko. Gusto ko mang sabihin sa'yo, pero ang lakas ng hiya ko. Parang ewan lang. Pinipini ng buhay ko, handa kong ialay ang lahat. Sabihin mo lang at gagawin ko para sa'yo. Handa kong ibigay lahat ng sa'kin sa'yo. Tik-tik-tik-tik-tik, kung ano mo ba nakasa'kin. Ialay lang baka di ko kayanin to. Ikaw siyang pinaka-nakistap na bituin para sa isang tao. At ikaw din na siyang nagsisilbing matamis na panaginip ko. Ang daking ibigay lahat ng sa'kin, sa'yo tik-tik-tik-tik-tik ko, kaya mawala ka sa'kin. Ikaw dahil lang ang aking paghinga, sana'y abang buhay ka na makasama pagkat masaya ko sa'yo. Ikaw ang musikang naglalaro sa isipan ko.
Beat That Production,
Ikaw ang siyang awit ko.
Downtown Entertainment.
Sana ako'y digin
Bro,
mo.
let's go.
Ako ay parang tingin mo umatama. Sa'yo lang nadama sa'yo kakaiba. Kumbaga ikaw si Randy, ako si Peter Pan. Sana'y sumama ka sa'kin doon sa Neverland. Na mapagsaluhan natin ang pag-iibigan na wala ka tapos sa wala ka. Ikaw ang nagbigay kahulugan sa buhay ko at ikaw ang siya sa akin na nagbigay kabuluhan. Kung bakit ako pinanganak na magulang ko, siguro nga ay para lamang ibigin natin sound. Pinipini na napapalutan ng mga anghel sa paligid na nagtutulot na sayaw nakakaparaliso. Nagpapasalamat ako sa itaas dahil pinailala ka niya sa akin. Sana ay di ka na niya kunin sa akin dahil di ko kakayanin. Handa